The train will never move as long as you're here.
What?
The train is not moving.
Do you want to come to Australia and learn some proper English?
That is not the issue. This train is
That
not
is
moving.
the issue, cunt. Learn some fucking English, because this is Australia, cunt, because I can't understand you. Oh, niggas.
Who the fuck was it going, man?
This train gonna fucking go or what?
I'll be getting off Gracie.
No, look. My nigga brother. Alright, hey bro, G. Homie, bro. Right, hey. I've got my feet off the fucking seat. White stripes. I'm not even wearing white stripes, you dumb white dog. Fucking get it right.
Where gun?
Mate, I've got my feet off the seat. Why didn't you get the
Okay, yes.
Who's that?
Excuse me, leave this place.
Don't touch me.
You don't go there.
Don't
go
touch
there.
me. I don't want to speak to you. I can't understand you.
Yes.
Bro,
Come
if you want to
this
be
side.
if you want to be a security guard, learn some English
What you are
first.
doing is not allowed. Why?
Learn some.
My friend, come and help me and help this lady out.
I'm trying to get
You're
to
gonna
the
be
next
5
station.
minutes.
You're causing a drama because I want to
You
get
get the next train, mate. You don't
next
get
train.
no more.
I ain't waiting for
Get
no
off.
next train.
Get
I ain't waiting for next
Well, wait
train.
for the
I ain't
Sit
waiting
in there
for
and wait for the
next
car.
train. I ain't waiting for next train. I mean, I'll fucking sit on this train for hours if I have to. I'll hold all you fuckers up. I really don't care. Especially this black cunt. I don't give a fuck if you're black and I'm cunt. If you want to come to our country, do you even have a citizenship, you fucking nigger? And this nigger comes into my country and tells me to put the feet off the seat when my feet are on the fucking newspaper, you fucking black dog. What are you, Fijian or fucking African cunt? I bet all you niggas fucking die.
No worries, you'll see that.
Do you want to come off the train and fight me, cunt? Do you want to come off the train and fight me?
You can do
Do you want
whatever
to
you
come off
want.
the train and fight me, cunt? I don't think you do, cunt. Because you're a
Do whatever you
fucking
can.
pussy black dog.
Whatever you say, I got the powers. I
I'll
stop
call the
train.
police, cunt, because the police is swine flu, just like your black nigger ass. What?
Okay.
What? What, cunt? You got a problem too, cunt? You got a problem too, cunt? You got a problem too?
My friend, that's it.
You got a problem too?
Just
You got a problem? Fucking make me get off, cunt. Make me get off, cunt. Then sit on your fucking ass and make me get off, cunt. Make me get off.
Just it.
Let's go, he's going. Full gun.
No, I don't give a fuck. I have my feet on the fucking newspaper. It wasn't on the seat, it was on the newspaper, mate. Alright? So if you want to cause a problem, then fuck you.
Well, let's go, gun.
No,
You're getting
no,
me arrested,
no,
gun.
no, I'm not done with this. So, alright.
Some of us want to go home.
Really?
What?
Really? Dude, we fucking worked all fucking day. I gotta deal with this shit from
Man,
here.
I worked all fucking day too. I'm gonna deal
What the
with this
fuck's your
shit.
story? Get the fuck off the fucking train, man.
What the fuck, cunt? I'm trying to get to the fucking next station, cunt.
It's not working, is it?
Oh man, because it is black, cunt.
You got someone coming to get this fucker off here or what? Huh?
I mean, why don't you sit your ass down?
Oh, yeah, his feet in the seat, kicking himself because
Go
of
back
holding
and
us
sit
up.
the fuck down.
Yeah.
Well, let's go. Get the next train,
Mind
gun.
your
Get
own
the next train,
fucking
gun.
business, you
You gotta
fat
go.
dog cunt.
You gotta go.
Get the next
what the
train,
fuck?
gun.
Take
Get the
me
next
off.
train.
Take me off, cunt. Yeah, come on.
No,
No.
Fuck off, I'll pull you off the train.